Solapo here, welcome to another video. Today we're in Cathedral Hill along Ngombo Road, looking at a 3-bedroom townhouse. If you're familiar with the area in Cathedral, I guess just name a few landmarks. We have Zicta, also not very far from the Long Acres shopping center. I guess the most famous place at the Long Acres shopping center is Nadia Shawarmas. That's the most recognized place. But generally, yeah, the roundabout, there's also a flyover bridge, and also the Lusaka club, where there's the soccer pitch and the tennis court. So lots of amenities in the area for leisure and fun. Also not very far from UTH, Ministry of Lands, Ministry of Justice, just to name a few places. So very high-end neighborhood, lots of amenities, and if you work within the area, it's perfect. So we're looking at the townhouse ahead of us. We also have a gym and a swimming pool in the complex. Yeah, without wasting any time, let's go in. So they all come fully furnished. Each place has a parking. So this is your garage for this house. That gate there leads to your backyard. The complex is a mixture of 3, 2, and 1 bedroom. So currently there's a 3-bedroom available. There should be a 1 unless it's taken, but I have to confirm that. Yeah, so good mix. Okay, so inside you have your living room. I love the chandelier, it's a very unique design. You have your L-shaped chair there. So you have your TV. Very spacious, lots of space. You have your guest bathroom here, powder room, guest toilet. This way is your open kitchen and dining. So 6 chairs, so perfect for entertaining your guests, or if you have a big family, if you're having family over, or yeah, but even if you just have a big family. You have your island here in the kitchen. You have your seats here for cereal in the morning, or if you're having your friends over and you're cooking, also perfect for that. You share some meals, have a chat and the like. So this way is the laundry room and pantry. So enough shelf space. You can see this pantry is big enough. Your washing machine there. There's a large window that leads to the. There's also a door. It leads to the. Is it a door? Yeah, it's a door. Yeah, leads to the backyard. See, but then we're going to the backyard soon, so I'm not in a hurry. I also love this at the island. You see, they're basically hidden storage space for pots and pans. Okay, before we go up, we'll take a look at the backyard. So lots of space in the backyard. If the kids play here, set up some chairs, have meals with your family and friends. Perfect for that. See, so this is probably one of the best townhouses in terms of design. It's very modern in Lusaka. I haven't seen everything, but I think I've seen a good number. So in terms of design and just the finishing, this is, I guess, maybe top 5 on the website for current listings. Put it in the top 5 in terms of design. Probably even takes number 1 spot. Yeah, but very, 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 very high-end finishing. We've already seen that. So next we go upstairs. Final view of the living room. Tell me what you think so far of the ground floor. I don't know about you, I'll give it a 9.5 out of 10. That's just me. Tell me what you'd rate it. Give it a rating below. What you think so far of the ground floor. I think it's a 9.5. Curved plasma. Yeah, so they set upstairs. I would say arrival, I won't put it number 1, but arrival for this one is probably the place we had seen in Roma Park. There's a place called Bella Vista. That place is also very, very high end. But yeah, this one, and that one in the top 5. But there are others. But yeah. Okay, anyway, so upstairs, got high, very large window there for lots of natural light. We'll start with the 2 rooms. Start with this one here straight ahead. Self-contained. You have your bed there. You have your closet here. Fit all your shoes, clothing, and the like, outfits. 2 large windows for natural light, always a plus. This way you have the bathroom, you have your toilet there, you have your sink, mirrors, and shower. So the only, I don't know, what would you prefer if it was the secondary rooms? Would you rather have a shower or a bathtub? Comment below and tell me what you prefer. Would you rather have a shower or a bathtub? I think for me I'd probably have a shower, because I guess a gym, I usually work out maybe twice a day or so it's quicker than a bathtub. So yeah, tell me what you prefer, if you'd rather have a shower or, I guess it depends on how active you are, but that's another story. Yeah, so we're in the next room now. We have 2 beds. So yeah, you can have 2 people. There's access to a balcony. I think this room should have the biggest balcony compared to the other one. Yeah, but it's not the master. There are 2 people here, but you can have, I guess you can have some chairs here. Relax if you've got 2 people over. Or, yeah, perfect. That's just a view of the complex. Then we head back inside, have a look at the bathroom. So similar to the other room, it has a toilet, shower, and sink. Yeah, so that's your second bedroom. Finally, we go to the master bedroom, which is the biggest room naturally. You pay the bills, you get the biggest room. So this is your master bedroom. You have your king-size bed there. You have 2 chairs, his and hers. You have your walk-in closet, very spacious walk-in closet. As you can see, very, very spacious, lots of space for you to fit a number of shoes. You should have like a lot of shoes if you, I guess women would probably like this one, because they naturally most likely have more outfits than men, but I guess there's some men who, each his own. Then here you have your master bathroom, which has a bathtub, sink, and shower. So master bathroom is both for choice. You have the choice of either taking a shower or a bath. Set your bubbles, bubble bath, rose petals, and the like. Yeah, so very, very, very modern and beautiful house. Cathedral Hill. Before we end, let's have a look at the master balcony. Master balcony, smaller than the other balcony. You'd naturally prefer the bigger balcony if you're in the master bedroom, but you can't get everything, I guess. But it's got a walkway here, but I don't think you can do much with this space here. But yeah, the main space is here. So yeah, that's the tour of the house. 3-bedroom, fully furnished, Ngombo Road, Cathedral Hill. Let's end on the balcony because of the views. So 3-bedroom, fully furnished in Ngombo Road. Like, share, subscribe. Tell me what you think of the house. Yeah, anyway, like, share, subscribe wherever you're watching from. Love to hear from you. If you need help renting, buying or selling property in Lusaka, get in touch. Thank you for watching. Good day.